In this video, we review Videforex. Have you used Videforex before? What was your experience? Leave your Videforex review in the comments section below. The world of online trading, particularly Forex, is fraught with both promise and peril. While some platforms offer legitimate opportunities for financial growth, others are rife with hidden dangers. Videforex, a relatively unknown player in the Forex market, is a case in point. Despite its claims of providing a secure and profitable trading environment, numerous red flags have emerged, casting doubt on its legitimacy. One of the most concerning aspects of Videforex is its lack of regulation. Unlike many established Forex brokers that operate under the oversight of reputable regulatory bodies, Videforex appears to be unregulated. This means there is no official authority to ensure the company adheres to industry standards, protect traders' funds, or address complaints. Such a lack of oversight significantly increases the risk of fraud, manipulation, and other unethical practices. Furthermore, user reviews and discussions on platforms like Reddit and Quora paint a troubling picture of Videforex. Traders have reported difficulties withdrawing funds, excessive fees, and unresponsive customer support. Some have even accused the company of outright scams, alleging that their deposits were lost or frozen without explanation. These negative experiences suggest that Videforex may prioritize its own interests over those of its clients. While Videforex may offer competitive trading conditions and a variety of financial instruments, these advantages are outweighed by the significant risks associated with dealing with an unregulated broker. The potential for financial loss, lack of protection, and the possibility of encountering fraudulent practices make it a highly risky proposition. In conclusion, Videforex should be approached with extreme caution. Its lack of regulation, negative user experiences, and the potential for fraudulent activity raise serious concerns about its legitimacy. Prospective traders would be wise to seek out regulated brokers with a proven track record and a commitment to customer protection. The risks associated with dealing with Videforex far outweigh any potential benefits.